Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with one of the best natural remedies, which is called the tomato. Tomato is so good on the skin. It clears the skin, it makes your skin very smooth. In case you have a lot of oil on your skin, please consider the tomato to be one of the best ingredient for reducing the oil on the skin. In case like you have a dull skin, consider the tomato to be one of the best ingredient for the dull skin. The tomato makes your skin very clear. It treats the acne. It brightens. In case you want a very bright skin or a brighter skin, it brightens the skin. In case you feel like you're a bit faded, your skin is faded, please try to apply the tomato. The tomato is a very good remedy for your skin because it does magic and wonders on your skin. This tomato is one of the best natural remedy for the skin. So after grating the tomato, you can apply powdered rice. We consider powdered rice to be one of the antioxidants. It has antioxidant properties that helps on the skin wrinkles. So it helps to tighten. The powdered rice alone helps to tighten the skin. After mixing our remedy together, we come up with a very good remedy for the neck. So one of the necks, do you know why we apply those of the natural remedies on our neck? The remedies, the neck appears to grow older more faster than the rest of the skin. Actually the neck, the hands grows more faster. It brings wrinkles more faster than the rest of the skin because one reason is we don't, in most cases, we consider the face to be the most important thing in our lives, not knowing as long as you're aging, your neck ages and also your face also ages. But in most cases, people they only consider like applying everything on the face than the neck. So you can apply on the neck. So that neck, like when you apply that remedy, it reduces the wrinkles on the neck. It's anti-aging. So whatever you apply on the neck, you can also apply it on the face. So the neck and the face go together. So when you apply this remedy, you look more younger. You look more younger. You look aging naturally, and you look like as if you're just a newborn baby, yet you're old. So consider applying this remedy on your neck and also all over your face. With natural remedies, consistency is key. You have to keep on applying. For example, this remedy, you can apply it like twice or thrice a week, and you keep the rest in a fridge. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. As you see here, I've finished washing off the remedies. Actually, after the remedies, you leave it like for 20 minutes on. 20 minutes a lot, like leave it like for 10 minutes on, then you wash it off. So as you see here, I've removed the remedy, I've washed off my face using warm water. Actually, always use warm water. Using warm water. Then afterwards, I've applied my favorite moisturizer, And please, whenever you wash your face off, please don't leave your face there like that. You need to moisturize your face. If you just leave your face there like that without moisturizing, it dries out, and your face doesn't get hydrated enough, so it dries out. Excuse me. So what you do, you apply your favorite moisturizer. After applying your favorite moisturizer, you have to massage your face. You massage your face backwards, and to tighten your face. When you tighten your face, it helps you look young forever. Your face becomes anti-aging. It removes those deep wrinkles. It makes you smooth, soft. It moisturizes your skin. Yeah, so it's very good to massage your skin after applying the remedy, or also you can moisturize your skin after a shower. For example, in the morning, after washing your face, after bathing, when you're rushing to work, massage your face like for 20 minutes or for 10 minutes and you go to work, always massage your face. It helps to circulate, the blood circulates very well on the face, on the skin. Yeah, it saturates very well. It improves on the elasticity of the skin. So as you see there, you just keep on like holding it back tight. Thank you for watching. Bye, subscribe.